welcome back. It's Thursday, so we're gonna throw it back to one of my older but awesome designs. This is gonna be my 2-balloon bunny, 2 balloons and a scrap, because YouTube doesn't show old videos and it's over a decade old, so I really don't blame them. But the 2-balloon bunny cannot be forgotten because it is a staple of my line work birthday party designs, and so we're gonna revisit it and make one. It is Thursday, Throwback Thursday, that's still a thing, right? So super easy, great design for beginners, but it's not so basic that everybody's already seen it. This is just a step up. So you need to know how to do this one. We're gonna start off with our white 260 inflated about halfway, and I'm gonna use purple for my bunny today, and we've got about a 2-inch tail on the purple. I start with the white. I'm gonna do a little loop for the cheeks, one cheek here, and then we'll do another loop to match. And then I'm gonna do 2 small round bubbles, and we're not doing a pinch twist or anything, just 2 small round bubbles, and wrap that into the cheeks. So you're gonna have your little bunny face like this. Now we're gonna take our purple, we're gonna start at the top of the head where the ears are, and don't make your ears overly long or you won't have enough to do this all in one balloon. So I do about 3 to 4 inches, fold it over, use the knot of your balloon to wrap it around that twist, pull it through. For the face, we're just gonna do about a 1.5 inch bubble. We're gonna take this twist here, it's gonna go right down in between our loops, lock that in. Once that is in there, you can get rid of your white balloon. Just make sure you wrap it around those cheeks in like a figure 8 to really secure it. And then with the ears, you might have your ears going off to the side. The way to get them facing forward is just turn this single bubble down here to where they're pointing forward, and you have the nozzle kind of stuck in the back so nobody can see it, okay? That's how you position the ears with this bubble here. We're gonna come down, I do just a simple 1 balloon bunny body for this guy, and there's no neck. So we're gonna come down 3 to 4 inches, twist, we're coming back up into the cheeks, twisting. Now we're going down behind the back of the bunny. So another bubble just a little bit shorter than the front legs. And whatever we have left here is gonna be 2 back legs and a bushy little tail. So I'm gonna do longer back legs like that. Bring those together. You can see how much longer the back legs are than the front. And that's because we wanna be able to open them up and sit those front legs right inside of them. Now whatever you have left here, if you have this much left, I would probably go ahead and do a little pinch twist for the tail, and then get rid of the rest, and you can just tuck that in, secure it around the legs to lock it on there. You don't have to tie it off. And then the scrap piece is gonna be for the nose, which is very easy. You just need enough air in your balloon for 1 little nose bubble, not too big. Make sure you do a double knot on this. Cut off the longer piece, save that for more bunny noses. You're gonna take this right on top of your 2 white bubbles, just wrap it down around those cheeks and hide that nozzle in. You wanna kind of pull it a little bit towards the front. You can kind of wedge that nose right kind of where you want it, a little bit more towards the front than squished right up by the purple balloon. So that is the super duper fast and cute and very crowd pleasing 2-balloon bunny. And there's how I do my little eyes, just very simple ovals, dots, little lines for eyelashes, eyebrows, don't forget the little dots on the cheeks. And then if you want to make it extra cute, you can add a little blush. I'm using my favorite eyeshadow that works great for putting blush on your balloons. Just gives it that nice little extra something that makes it look super cute. So there's our little blast from the past, the 2-balloon bunny, staple for any twister. You gotta learn this one and put it on your menus. Of course, we have clip art for it. Let me know what you guys think, if you'd ever learned this one before, or if this is something you're seeing for the first time. I'd love to know. And let me know what you think in the comments and which design we should revisit for next Thursday. Till then, I'll see you guys with your pictures of the bunnies this week in my free Facebook group. See you over there and see you back here next Thursday. Bye guys!